going to show you exactly how to get organic traffic to your store. And in fact, a lot of our students who follow this formula generate up to $30,000 every single month from organic traffic alone. And it's super simple. Literally, it's going to take you less than 20 minutes and you're not going to need anybody else to do this for you. Organic traffic and SEO can be really complex if you let it to, okay? But what we are doing here is what we call the domino, okay? What is the 20% that you have to do that's actually going to generate 80% of the results for you? So essentially, there is only two big things that you always need to worry about. And those are page titles and what we call meta descriptions, and also your product listing and what you put in there. And so these two things are literally responsible for 80% of your result. Now stay until the end because I've got an amazing power tip for you, how you can literally enhance everything what you're about to learn, a simple tweak that's going to take you less than 30 seconds. All right, so let's first talk about page titles and meta descriptions. What actually are there and how can you influence that to come up in the top of Google searches? If you Google luxury candles, you can come up with an example of a listing that says luxury candles, best large source scented online buy, right? This sounds really appealing, right? And it's from a company called absoluteaustralia.com. So now this top part, luxury candles, best large source scented online, this is what we call a page title, okay? So normally you want it to be more than just your name. You know, you want to insert some keywords that actually people are looking for, because your brand name as a small business literally might not be so important. People might not know your brand, right? That's why you need to go through the products that actually your ideal customer is looking for. Now below there where you see like the result, that's what we call meta description, okay? So that actually is telling you what the page is about. Again, you want to utilize the keywords from an industry that your customer is looking for, because these keywords help you come up in the right searches, okay? Now, you also want to have in your page title what we call a call to action, like show now, buy now, etc., right? Like this needs to be clickbaity so that it's clear for your ideal customer that they actually have to click on this and buy, okay? Now, unfortunately, what happens, most entrepreneurs, most small business owners, unfortunately, what they do is they essentially insert keywords that are about them, like their brand name, or they've got like a technical product name that just doesn't make sense to the customer because it's not what the customer is searching for, or they might not even have any meta tag in the first place, okay? So like you see here, a really bad example of a meta tag and landing page description. So this is brand Picard's Meds for Pets, and essentially they give you a phone number, but it's not necessarily keywords that a customer would be looking for. And unfortunately, this is what most entrepreneurs do. So right now, guys, it's your turn. Look at your page titles and meta descriptions and really look at what keywords have you got there, and just do a little Google search for your business, for your brand, and see what your page titles are and meta descriptions. Now, the second really important part to really optimize your website and get free traffic is essentially your product listing, all of the keywords, the descriptions. And now we're going to go through two examples, okay? An example of a bad product listing and why that does not work for SEO. And we're going to go through a very good example of a product listing and what information you can put inside the product listing to generate that free traffic to your store consistently and predictable and really make those free sales. All right, so this is an example of a product listing that perhaps isn't well optimized just yet. It doesn't mean it's bad, but it just means that this store is probably still working on their free traffic optimization and they probably don't have any free traffic or organic traffic just yet, okay? So as you can see, this is the title of the dress, draped mini dress. So the first thing you want to do is you want to describe your product title in more detail with a keyword that the customer is looking for, right? Whether it's like the color, the shape, everything, size. Even for some of you, you want to make sure that it's very much optimized specifically to what that customer is going to be looking for. Now, the second thing, you want to make sure that you actually have a description of that product, so that it says here, hey, this product is, again, you repeat those words, this product is a short dress and you can dress it up, dress it down, you can, it can be a cocktail dress, whatever those searches are, right? Or it can be, really wonderful, beautiful mini dress, blah, blah, blah. So you have to create some sort of an emotional narrative, right? That emotional narrative is something that the customer is really looking for, right? And, is that floral dress or not, whatever that description is. And then down here, you essentially repeat it again, and you make sure that you put more specifications and you put also some like technical specifications like, how does the dress feel, what size it fits, is it true to size, is it bigger, is it smaller? But most importantly, you just put as much detail as possible with the keywords that the customer is looking for. So right now for this product listing, we've got very little information here, very little keywords, and therefore it's going to be hard for the search engine optimization to pick it up. Okay, now let's go to a really good product description that's getting a lot of organic traffic. So here we've got a really good product description. Okay, so already have a look here. It's called Cotton Berber Washable Rug 10. So already you can tell that washable rug is a keyword that most probably customers are looking for. Okay, and then you're scrolling down and you're seeing further machine washable rugs without compromising in style. Again, there is a big description. It says washable rugs. It's even bolded. Washable cotton Berber range, blah blah blah. So it really repeats the word rug. It repeats the word washable rug. It repeats like all of these things that customers are looking for. The laundromat or dry cleaner, and so on and so forth. Then it gives us a little bit more information where it's produced and how the shipping, fair trade information. Again, you have more information here, and that, by the way, helps you with conversions too, because customers want to know more information. It also tells you the washing. These are some technical specifications. These are some sizes, and then you go further, and there is even more information. Okay, like made in India, so it's all really like sustainable information. If customers are looking for sustainable product information, these are the keywords that they would be looking for. Then again, care instruction, bang, again, washable cotton rugs, cotton washable rugs, blah blah blah. It just keeps repeating the same keywords. Laundromat's dry cleaner, cotton rugs, machine washable, blah blah blah, vacuum the washable rugs, amazing cleaning your wool rugs. Like, can you see how these keywords are being repeated over and over and over? So this is a very good product listing, and this is essentially what you guys want to do in your store to be able to get that free traffic and come up in the top searches. And now a super powerful power tip that you've been waiting for. So what you want to make sure that you check are actually your images on your website. Do the images have the right description? Because when you have a look here, if I type into Google dress.jpg, essentially what you want to see is that all of these images come up, right? If I just literally put like image one JPEG, like you will see that there is probably businesses and stores out there that are not optimized, that literally just have their images called like image 1, image 2, image 3. So if you name your images the right way, like yellow, midi, dress, floral, then you will see that essentially helps you with the search engine optimization, and it's so easy to do. If you like this video, make sure you click the follow and like button, leave us a comment. How did this help you? And for more videos on how you can get SEO optimized, get free traffic, and come up on the top of Google searches, make sure you watch the next video. I'll talk to you guys later. Bye!